Okay. So I put on my raincoat because I don't want to deal with that on the hike back down. We're expected to have a storm with snow and potentially rain and wind and all that in the next hour and a half, so I'm preparing beforehand, and that way I don't have to stop along the way. Put on the Cedar Summit rain protector for the backpack, and that should be good. So it looks like it's such a beautiful, beautiful view all around. Let's see, what do we have? We have about 15% of battery left, so all right, you guys can ride with me till the battery dies. Headed back down to bar camp.